We're at iMedical Equipment and Service, and we're looking at the Rom Progressa hospital bed. And the Rom Progressa hospital bed is one of the best intensive care ICU beds made in the United States. It has a host of different features with an air mattress system. Air mattress system will do lateral rotation. It'll help turn the person left, center, and right. And that can be done with either a 0, 5, 10-degree turn all the way up to a full 100-degree turn. It also has a percussion vibration feature, which helps break up upper respiratory congestion. It's also referred to as pulmonary. So this bed, if you look at it, is also referred to as a pulmonary hospital bed. And then it also has low air loss, which will run a layer of air-conditioned air under the mattress, which will help keep the person cool. So these beds are used for all different types of high levels of patient care, including quadriplegic, paraplegic, MS, ALS. We sell these hospital beds all over the United States and all over the world to patients and hospitals that need a very high level of care. And with the pulmonary feature and also with the lateral rotation, it allows to prevent and treat or try to prevent as much as possible bed sores, pressure wounds, skin ulcers, and those types of skin breakdown. Now, I'm going to just do a real quick walkthrough of the Rom Progressa bed. I've done some other videos on the bed kind of showing the control board, but right now we're just going to go through some of the basic features of the bed. Now, the number one thing here we'll start with is the top head control section. You got your basic up and down features. You also have your angle, degree of angle. So for some patients, and you'll see 30 degrees is marked there, for cardiac related issues and different types of health related issues, you're going to want to have the angle at a 30-degree level, so that'll help you do that. You do have this control panel right here, which is going to basically go through a lot of your features. If you just get the bed, go right to your scale feature. You're going to want to have that scale feature there because the scale feature basically determines the amount of pressure that the mattress is going to have. You also have your other basic features. Now, your boost feature right here is going to help to slide the person back towards the head of the bed. If the person has a tendency to slide towards the foot of the bed, the boost feature will help slide them back. You also have Trendelenburg, reverse Trendelenburg, and then you also do have your chair position, your chair egress, and then you do have here your basic head up and down, foot up and down. You have different positions for the feet. You can shrink the bed in, you can send it back out. You can also determine the degree of the angle for the foot and then lift the foot section up. So it gives you a lot more versatility with the foot section. And one thing that they did on this bed also is they attached a pendant with it. And with other beds, older model beds like the Rom Total Care Sport, you were a little bit more limited with some of the control positions, but the patient now with this particular control feature here, this pendant, also referred to as remote control, allows the patient to put themselves into Trendelenburg, reverse Trendelenburg. So that's a real nice feature as well. Now, I've got the bed in its lowest position. This bed also does go fully into a chair position. When you put the bed into a chair position, first thing you want to do, take the footboard off. It just pops right off onto pegs. And so I'm going to go ahead right now in this video and pull this off. And that way, when the foot of the bed goes down to the floor, you're going to put your feet on the ground and not be stepping on the footboard. And I've already done that section, so we're going to mix that video in when I put the bed into a chair position. We'll go ahead and lift the bed up. Now, one thing about this bed, and if you've watched other videos that I've done, very, very quiet moving. This is known as a very durable, reliable hospital bed, but you can see here, this bed will come up plenty high. It's right now chest high for me. So for caregivers, you can lift the bed up high enough where you don't have to bend over to take care of the patient. And then other features that you've got, head up and down. If you notice here, the foot's also moving. And in hospital terms or hospital bed terms, they call that auto contour. And so basically what's happening is that the head of the bed, as it goes up, is also going to raise the foot up just slightly, and that's going to allow the bed to prevent the person from sliding down to the foot of the bed. So the bed also does have an auto contour feature. Once again, the bed is full electric. There's no hydraulics in this bed. You've got a very simple rail release right here. You just lift up on that blue button. You can drop the bed down, drop the bed rail down. And for patients also that need assistance getting in and out of bed, you can lift it back up and it'll just snap right back into place. So this is the Rom Progressa hospital bed, one of the best hospital beds made in the United States. We're going to go ahead and we're going to show you the full chair position. Chair position is very easy to get to. Basically, all you're going to do is just go right to the chair button and just hold that down, and it's going to automatically put the bed into a chair position. So we'll go through and do that now, and it'll drop the height of the bed down. We'll drop it down. We're at iMedical Equipment and Service, and once again, we're looking at the Rom Progressa hospital bed. And the Rom Progressa hospital bed is one of the best ICU intensive care air mattress hospital beds that's made in the United States. We've put the bed into its chair position, and we've done a few videos before on the control panel and some of the basic features of the bed. But you can see that this makes the bed ideal for patient transfers, because you can put it fully into a chair position. It does have a seat egress position, and the seat egress position on the control board will actually help assist getting the person in and out of bed. Now the bed rails also on this bed come down real easily. You just lift up this blue section right here. They come right down. You can do it on both sides here. And then what I'll do is I'll just step back and give you an idea of how that looks. And then if you have somebody that's in a wheelchair, they can slide right over into a wheelchair. And so for patient transfers, it's great. It's also ideal because for patient comfort and for recovery, having a person vertical or upright is ideal for faster recovery. It's better for bodily circulation. And so the faster that you can get people back to a good stage of health, the better. With the rails, once again, we just lift these up right here and bring them right back into place. And once again, this is the Rom Progressa hospital bed. Now, for more information on the Rom Progressa bed, you can reach us. We sell these refurbished and reconditioned. You can reach us at iMedical Equipment and Service, 858-263-4894, San Diego, California, 804-929-6886, Richmond, Virginia, and we can deliver and ship these anywhere in the United States. You can also get more information off our website, www.imedicalshop.com, and also get more information off our beds website, which is www.1hospitalbeds.com. iMedical Equipment and Service, your one-stop shop for Rom beds, refurbished, including the Rom Progressa hospital bed.